That shit drop the video.
That shit's LA, yeah.
Yeah, I can see that.
I be rolling with the niggas who get no fuss. I ain't had people change, I get no love. It was not running to quit running to give up. I'ma keep going hard, I'ma go up.
Hey, I got a question. What do you put in your coffee? What do you put in your coffee?
Cream.
Cream?
You need to pee.
Oh, that's easy.
You need to pee.
Game winner.
It's your boy Kingmir, aka man, the best YouTuber out of Baltimore. Straight facts, no kizzy cat. Let's go on this little vlog today. I'm about to go to a video shoot for my cousin. Shout out to TNT. But I gotta talk to you. I might do that in another video, probably not right now. Got some things coming along the way. I also want y'all to let me know what y'all want me to do for another video. I know some people been asking me on my Instagram to do a part 3 of the blind date, but I'm gonna do a part 3. You just gotta get that second video to 35 likes. That was all I'm asking. I'll put that video out real quick and get some people. But let me hurry up and do this so I can get to that place fast. I'll be back. I'm not even gonna lie, I can't remember I've been the last time down this way. At least this part of Baltimore. It's a nice though. Look at that man. Just amazing. Sheesh. Look at that man. Iced out everything. Whoa, man.
Not the same from NTS. Follow man, school, NTS. Not.
How can I be like you when I get older? Hey, fucking yo, I'm fucking dead. It's nice up here. It's real different nice up here. I ain't never been here. This place hard though. Shit tough.
I be rolling with the niggas who get no fuss. I ain't had people change, I get no love. It was not running to quit running to give up. I'ma keep going hard, I'ma go
Oh, it smells that Hennessy. Hit me. I said, oh. Oh man, demon time. Gotta block that up. Say something for the vlog. Tell them one time.
One time. You know who it is. TNT, HAZL, TNT Hazel. Mr. Clay for keeping. Yo,
I was definitely gonna ask you what you said.
Yeah, man, we shooting. No fucks. Check out my latest EP.
The drip check. Okay. The shoe. How much they cost?
Bro, these bitches is old. I just took kids.
I ain't asked for that. I ain't asked for all that. I said how much they cost.
They cool, you know, just some slang, you know. That's my wife.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The drip check. Okay.
And all that. I was gonna pop it at the end. Nah, I was making that shit up. How you pop it at the end? It's gonna cut up. If everybody in it, right, and I pop it at the end, right, it's 3 bottles. We all pop them at the same time. It makes sense what I'm saying. Go up the Larry last one, I pop the bitch up, and it's 3 of them. If I'm on the hood and 2 people on the side, we all pop the drink at the same time. Yeah. I used to do this video shit before I shot. It was right, remember?
That shit drop the video.
That shit's LA, yeah.
Yeah, I can see that.
Audemars Piguet. I be rolling with them niggas who give no fucks. I done had people change, I get no love. It was tough, wanted to quit, wanted to give.
Oh man. Say something for the vlog. We might as well put you in the vlog. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Sideburns. Sideburns. Mouse. Sideburns. That shit was hilarious.
He said you got a weird beard. Your beard is weird.
Hey, yo.
Hope you get bucket. Don't have a bucket, man. Don't have a bucket. Don't have a bucket, man.
Y'all saw you not miss?
Hey, I got a question. What do you put in your coffee? What do you put in your coffee?
Cream.
You need a pee.
You gotta do that shit. What do you put in your coffee? What do you put in your coffee? Hit a nigga with a
That was dumb as shit, yo.
You need a pee.
So I deserve it, and I belong right with the
I like this shit.
No, you phony, yo. You get it. Some New York niggas be. Oh. I'm about to say it. Whoa, man, gotta start the vlog up out here. Hold on. Look at the views. Sheesh. This be probably crispy as a motherfucker right now. Straight to the bottom. Okay, I'll jump. No, don't jump that. I'm scared of shit. I'm not scared of heights, but that shit dangerous. Dangerous. I'm not gonna lie. I ain't gonna say where this is at, but throw a nice little shebang of Dukin up here. This probably would be nice as hell. This nigga recording me, I'm recording him. Oh man.